Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today to see a new project on home automation controlled by Arduino Uno and a Bluetooth module. Let's make it. We need a Arduino Uno, a 4-channel relay module, a HC05 Bluetooth module, and few jumpers. Stick all the components in the wooden board. You can see the wiring in the diagram. We have done the wiring. Before uploading the code, you need to plug out the RX and TX pins. Designed the box and I have pin cutter. I have glued all the components and stick it in. It makes neat and perfect. Download the Bluetooth control for Arduino. You should give accept. It's downloading. Open. Continue. Okay. Give power to the Arduino board. The Bluetooth device to the side connection to hook it. It's done. Let's connect with bulbs. It's the same way we should do for all the bulbs. have any doubt in the connection, you can see the diagram. All the 4 bulbs has been connected to the Bluetooth device. The green bulb is not working, so that it cannot be worked. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, like the like button, subscribe to Dharani Creations, like, share, comment. Tada, bye bye.